Yemobi bi akwa baba ye channel yi so. And so yebesua bibi ewo C sharp, which is also another programming language. And yebesua how to create a new project and display hello world to the user. To create the new project, new project. No type, make sure say template, a C sharp file to be selected. No one make sure say I selected Windows Form application. We are creating a Windows form, not a console. Console we are creating until we are trying to create a Windows form. Now type the name of the application. That's Hello World. Because my creative that our machine is made the number best so. Send a and replace the my creative that see Hello World 1. Okay, to be a new project there, this is how it looks like. So these are the windows in it. Over here, this is the solution explorer windows. This is the property window, and we have the toolbar where we are going to get our tools from. This is the default form I will be a baby amount. So because we want to work on it, we will enlarge it. That box nkitinkiti na ɛwɔ around no ɛne yɛde biem sɛ wopɛ sɛ wobiem anaasɛ wopɛ sɛ woko mu these are the boxes a wode bɛbiem. Okay, so yɛpɛ toolbox no ɛni ha, so we have to go to the view tab from the menu bar no na yɛakɔ select toolbox. So this is the toolbox. Is the toolbox number. So these are the tools we are going to use to create our application. Okay, in the first one, we want to display something to the user. Per se say user and say show message here. So with that one, because say user na the input be free user no hunti. And no, no label. Into with this part toolbox no wobɛtumi add drag no add drop anaa wobɛ double click it. Double clicking here. Na abai. But toolbox no sɛ wopɛ sɛ wo enlarge no anaa woma no yɛ ketewa a wobɛ use property windows hɔnom no. The first one, let's try to change the name the name of the label na you are creating. The honum no one wobɛkɔ design. So this is the name machine no anim ankasa ne label way. So yɛbɛyɛ no show message LBI na just a label no. So I want say we na changing no and replace it that name way. Because we need a name a creating namespace. ISM we creating variable name. So this is the variable name. But content name also work font. Into yebeko font. Okay, so this is the font size. Sorry. Into I had him say we create the name for this font. So here we can make it show message here. So message when you press a display change and TV enter. Once you boy I replace it label 1 and 1. So let's try and make some formatting to this text. Font what font no mia that 3 dot na ɛwɔ ha no. The font dialog box na ebien. You can change the font name, font type, font size. Okay, so let's make this one bold. Let's make here 16. Also, and just size of the label na my. So label no, before you can resize it, you can use the properties window. Okay, so let's try and change the name of this form so and also select here call property window. In the property window now you can change the name and make it, let's say, hello world app. Also, and also I change my FFF. Okay, so yet me I the name of this form no, and I a label so let's try and create a button also a show message no. So with button no go two box on no to go two box now no select it button we can drag me and drop it. So drop here be show no about the button you can resize it to bet me resize it dot next home. Okay, so you are resize here. Let's try and change it and make it click me. Okay, so click me. Okay, yeah, some editing. Formatted text ne kakra. You make no enlarge ne kakra so this is what we are having for now. So let's try and change the name, the variable name. So we change the variable name now. We call design side on no change it from this button 1 to click me button. See you're gonna click me BTN. We say identity in the my space. Yeah, in our previous lessons in C++ and Java, you see as a naming a variable. No? We don't use space. You can use underscore, but space here we don't use it. Okay. So your program on the Outlook ni. This is what the user will see. So yanko back end no near writing a course and so on. So with this one over double click it and ube miasum. Okay. So now we need the code. Yet the code is a display username. So with this one, the double message, we need a message box. So about MESS now and one bema options. Okay, to be selected message box dots. Then a person message box near we want it to show. Okay, so show and so about what do you want it to show? You can either let it show a message like hello world. Once we know there is a red line because the code is not complete. Remember that before you complete every code, you need to terminate it with a semicolon. So fine. Now our code is correct. So let's try and run it. Before we can run it, so I see a building answer. Send a other application Quebec say a compiling here you go to the build from the menu bar. You build solution. So Ubewe mana building now show say yes. Over down Hana build 1 succeeded, 0 failed, 0 up to date, 0 skipped, Now just say the code is okay. So we are going to run it by selecting the start. Even me start near the running code. No? Okay, so this is what we are having. Show message here. Click me. Hello world. And I display channel. Okay. Here yet me actual code no a display to the user. Hello world. By say be show in a message box. You say hello world now. A baby good that label him. So how are we going to do it? Okay. With that one no, the back course next side that's the back end no. Nti yɛbɛ comment yɛ no anaasɛ yɛbɛ delete ba for reference nti yɛn comment. Okay, you comment here. No akɔ next line. Nti next line no abɔ the name of the label no. Yɛn nyinaa kae sɛ yɛyɛ no show message. Show message label. Now the dot text. Now just say you need the text. Sorry. Dot text. Assignment symbol. No was assigned to the message hello world. As usual, make sure to terminate it. So this is what we are having. So let's try and run this program also and see. Okay, so click me. You see, once a name no, I change it from show message here to hello world. Okay, so I have a day addition in CBC. Also, I stay tuned. Your name will be the mount. Bye bye.